public when you're ready, so you can hit edit, go down to details, and just make sure that's private. Also quickly worth noting the stream health setting over here. YouTube can also give you some analytics to look at, so if it says stream status excellent, that's what you're looking for. But pretty much that's all there is to setting up a YouTube stream in 2022 with OBS. So I hope this video was helpful to all of you. Good luck with your streaming. Thanks for watching. I've been Chris, and I will see all of you in my future video content.
No, don't tell me it's doing the left to right and right to left solution. What? What's up, everybody? How's it going? I am absolutely, utterly speechless right now. I just finished filming the video that you're about to watch, where I gave a Google coding interview, much like all the Google coding interviews that I've done on YouTube in the last few years, much like all the real Google coding interviews that I've given in real life when I was a software engineer at Google. I gave a Google coding interview, not to a real person, not to a real software engineer, but to an artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, which you may have heard of by now. It was launched a couple of weeks ago by OpenAI. OpenAI is a huge artificial intelligence research hub, and ChatGPT is a large language model that basically is like a chatbot artificial intelligence. And I'm speechless. Watch the full video. Please, don't skip any part. Just watch it all and get ready to get your mind blown. I asked ChatGPT questions that I've asked in real Google coding interviews at Google, questions that we have on AlgoExpert, my company that helps software engineers prepare for technical interviews. By the way, if you're a software engineer, check out AlgoExpert. Go to algoexpert.io and use the promo code CLEM, CLAM, for a discount on the platform. Speechless. Enjoy. Okay, so I have no idea what to expect from ChatGPT, but I've gone ahead and prepared 3 coding interview questions of increasing difficulty. We're going to start with a pretty easy one just to warm up. This is the kind of question that I would ask a real Google interviewee just to have them warm up. And then we're going to move on to a more difficult one. And then if we have time, an even more difficult one. Again, I have no idea how ChatGPT is going to perform. Let's see if it can actually handle even just the easy question. So we've got 45 minutes on the clock, and let's dive into it. I have prepared prompts for ChatGPT before I even give it the question, just so that it knows what it's doing. So here I say, you're a software engineer who's interviewing for a software engineering position at Google. You're about to take a coding interview with me, your interviewer, and your goal is to perform as best as you can and to get a strong hire decision from me. I really want ChatGPT to know that it needs to do very well to impress me within the context of a Google coding interview. You're going to be writing code in JavaScript, and your question is the following. So this is the easy question. Write a function that takes in a non-empty string and that returns a Boolean representing whether the string is a palindrome. A palindrome is defined as a string that's written the same forward and backward. Note that single character strings are palindromes. So this is exactly how the question is written on AlgoExpert, and let's see how it does. So it immediately answers, sure, here's one way to write a function that checks if a given string is a palindrome. Is palindrome, I think that's actually the exact name of the function that we have on AlgoExpert. Takes in a string, it's got a lot of comments. We start by getting the length of the string. If the length of the string is 1, it's a single character string, so we immediately return true because we know it's a palindrome. And then we create 2 variables, left and right, that we'll use to keep track of the leftmost and the rightmost characters. Okay, so it's creating like 2 pointers. It's going to do a while loop. We loop through the string starting from the left and right ends and moving towards the center. If the characters are not equal to each other, we return false. Otherwise, we increment the 2 indices, and then we return true. So this is literally the optimal solution that I was looking for. There are a lot of different ways to check if a string is a palindrome, but this is the optimal one because it runs in constant space. You're not using any other space. There's a network error. But it was giving us like examples on how to test it. Unfortunately, I couldn't see them, but if you pause the video,